Should I worry if my AC is older than 10 years? You should not panic, but an air conditioner older than 10 years deserves closer attention because it may lose efficiency, need repairs, or be nearing replacement time. Age alone does not prove that your air conditioner is unsafe or useless. A well-maintained system can sometimes work reliably for 15 years or more, while a neglected system may fail much sooner. Pay attention to warning signs such as weak airflow, rooms that stay warm, unusual noises, frequent repairs, water leaks, or rising electric bills. An older system may also use a refrigerant called R22, which is no longer being produced in the United States, making leaks more expensive to repair. One useful detail is that a system can still cool your home while quietly losing efficiency because its coils are dirty, its filter is clogged, or its refrigerant charge is incorrect. Replace the filter regularly, keep leaves and grass away from the outdoor unit, and schedule a professional inspection before the hottest part of the year. Ask the technician to measure cooling performance, check electrical parts, inspect the ductwork, and compare the repair cost with the expected remaining life. If a repair costs a large portion of a replacement system, or repairs keep happening, replacing the unit may save money and prevent an emergency breakdown. A common mistake is waiting until the system completely fails, so have it inspected when you notice weaker cooling or unusual sounds. Another misconception is that a newer unit always pays for itself immediately, so compare the purchase price, expected energy savings, repair history, and available rebates. People also often ignore indoor airflow problems and blame the air conditioner, so check the filter, supply vents, return vent, and ducts before assuming the main unit is failing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.